Okay, so this is how she's looking so far. Not completely done yet. As you can see, I don't have the wig like glued down or anything. Do no baby hairs. I still have to like flatten the part out with my hot comb and lay it down. So there's still a little bit of work to do, but I just wanted to get the cut and the shape down first before I glue it down. And I think it looks pretty good. I have a few like stray pieces that I still need to trim off, but for right now it looks good. I'm just not used to doing hair this short. If y'all know me, I know I love my super long, my long hair. So this is something really different for me. So I'm just trying to get used to it, but I think it's cute. I think once I have it all put together, I'll like it even more. I'm gonna come back tomorrow when I actually glue this down for work, because I'm not about to glue this down today because I'm not going nowhere. I'm just gonna be around the house chilling, and I don't want to have this wig on my head. So yeah, I'm gonna come back tomorrow to show y'all the final product with the gel down and the edges and all of that. But yeah, this is how she's looking so far. I think she's pretty cute. Okay y'all, so this is the final results of the wig, and I'm really feeling her. She's real cute, real classy, super cute, super easy hairstyle. This is probably just going to be like my to-go wig. Like if I'm in a rush and I just need to throw something on, I probably will reach for this wig because it's like super easy. It's a closure, so y'all know closures are super low maintenance. I love the style of this bob. I love the way I cut it. This is my first time ever trying a bob, and it's pretty, like I said, it's pretty new to me, but I really like the length of it. I like the body of the hair. You know, like when you have a bob, it just makes you want to move your hair like this.
Yes. Ooh, stiff what? Stiff what? For real, stiff what? Ooh, no what? Stiff what? Wow. No.
Like I just love how flowy the hair is. It's super soft. I got shorter length, so I wasn't expecting much shedding or tangling, which I didn't get at all. I really love this closure as well. If y'all don't know, this is a 5x5 closure, so it's bigger than your standard. I think regular closures are like 4x4, so you get much more space on this closure. It's basically just like a mini frontal. So my closure is from right here to right here. So basically my whole, like half of my forehead is this closure, and it has a really deep part too. The closure goes back all the way to right here. So I really love the style of this closure. It gives you more space to part, and it makes the wig look so much more natural in my opinion. I haven't seen how the back of this wig looks, so I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see how it looks. This is the back. This is how it looks from the side. Mind you, I haven't seen how the back or the side looks, so I might have to go in and trim up some more here. But this is how she looks, and I'm loving it. I'm really loving this hair. I love this bob, this length. Like I said, this is definitely something new for me. I normally don't do short bundles, but I really like. Ooh, I gotta get ready to go to work. Okay, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for all your love and support. It really means the world to me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.